Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Today we're in Burbank at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour to celebrate 30 years of Friends, but also Friendsgiving. They have a special Thanksgiving-themed Friends tour, complete with a Thanksgiving meal. Let's head inside, then we'll tell you all about it. So there were 10 seasons of Friends, 9 Thanksgiving episodes. Let us know down in the comments what is your favorite of the Thanksgiving episodes. Then also, who do you think you are most like out of all the Friends characters? I think of a little bit of all of them, but as we're waiting to go on our tour, we are going to get a meal today, part of this experience. I wonder if there's going to be 3 types of potatoes. And do you think there'll be an underdog balloon that gets loose on the back lot? We'll see.
10 years, 30 years ago, Friends made a home at Warner Brothers and created this legendary, iconic television series right on this lot. I should know, I was the security guard on the stage for the first time. And it's really just been such this show that's just gained momentum throughout the years. It's something that everybody loves. It's comfort for the soul. The studio tour and Friendsgiving is all about togetherness, celebrating those moments of TV history that you love with your friends and family, and that's what this is all about today. So without further ado, let's pivot our attention to the screen. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show, and enjoy Friendsgiving, folks.
Your tour will start in the storytelling showcase with a brief introduction in one of the screening rooms. You'll learn about the history of Warner Brothers. Then you will be greeted by your tour guide for a 90-minute guided tour of the historic Warner Brothers backlot. You'll see iconic Friends filming locations, pass by the sound stages where Friends was filmed for 10 seasons. You'll also get a glimpse inside the prop warehouse, a 4-level structure with each level being the size of a football field. Your tour will continue and drop you off at the Friends Fountain, notable for being in the opening sequence of the series. Here you can take a photo on the couch in front of the fountain. You will then be treated to a delicious traditional Thanksgiving meal at fun Friends decorated tables. Grab a plate and help yourself to Phoebe's tossed green salad, Rachel's buttery biscuits, green beans and tomatoes, Ross's lumpy mashed potatoes, How You Doin' mac and cheese, Grandma Geller's homemade soy riso stuffing, Joey's sweet candy yams, delicious sliced ham, and juicy, flavorful turkey. There's also cranberry sauce and some of the absolute best turkey gravy I have ever eaten. Soft drinks are provided. They also come around with slices of pumpkin pie. This is a meal that you will never forget next to the Friends Fountain, served on the historic Warner Brothers backlot. Stage 48 is up next. This portion of the tour is self-guided. Inside, you will find Central Perk, an actual coffee and snack shop where you can purchase a hot beverage or, if you're still hungry, a small snack. There are numerous interactive displays and activities from various Warner Brothers movies and TV shows. There is also a photo opportunity where you can sit on the couch inside of a recreation of the Central Perk set. Also inside Stage 48 is a massive gift shop and recreations of the apartment set for memorable photos and holiday shopping. Again, this portion is self-guided and you can spend as much time inside Stage 48 as you'd like. Once you're ready to move on to the next portion of the tour, simply exit out the back doors and a tour cart will be waiting to take you to Action and Magic. Action and Magic Made Here is your final stop. This is also self-guided, so you can spend as much time as you'd like. Inside, you can explore the world of DC and the Bat Cave. There are also props from Game of Thrones and several interactive attractions based on the Harry Potter series of films. That is it here from in Burbank at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood for the Friendsgiving experience. Book it, book it, book it. It is select days through the end of November. You get the full studio tour. You get to go in the prop warehouse. You get to go to script to screen, Stage 48, Action and Magic Made Here. You get to see your favorite filming locations from the TV series Friends. You get to pass the studio where they actually filmed it, the soundstage. Plus you get that amazing, delicious meal. I can't tell you how good everything was. The potatoes, the turkey, the gravy was the best, those biscuits. an amazing experience. Do it with your friends, do it with your family, come by yourself. Just book it before it goes away. That is select days before the end of November. And then for Christmas, they are doing Holidays Made Here, a Gilmore Girls themed holiday tour. So check that out too. We'll put all the information down in the description. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on, and follow us on social media. And a huge thank you to the Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood for having us out today. Always enjoy our visits. And let us know who's your favorite Friends character and what was your favorite Thanksgiving Friends episode. See you soon. Happy holidays, Thanksgiving. Overall, for the Friendsgiving tour, expect to spend anywhere between 3 to 5 hours at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour. If you can't make it for Thanksgiving, there are other studio tours available year-round, and there is also that special Gilmore Girls edition coming up for the holidays. If you need more information, visit wbstudiotour.com for ticket prices, dates, times, and additional information. Thank you again for watching, and once again, happy Thanksgiving, everyone.